Welcome back. Just want to introduce this video real quick. It's a quick walk around of the updates on the truck. One thing I forgot to mention in the video was the addition of the cherry bomb vortex mufflers that exit with turn downs just in front of the rear axle. Stay tuned. We got some more stuff coming. Some fenders, rear doors, sheet metal, inner fenders. That's all coming soon. Actually, the inner fenders are already getting paint and in primer. The fender is next. I'm going to do some bolt-ons first, so I can salvage some of the sheet metal for some of the inner rocker panels and stuff like that. Thank you. Hey YouTube friends and family, here we go. The engine is put together. We've got our ceramic coated headers, wire separators, MSD cap, a cell coil, nice aluminum valve covers, nice aluminum intake manifold, brand new Summit Racing carburetor, nice aluminum air cleaner system here, of course new water pump, new hoses, new belts, new radiator, new timing cover down there, if you can see that. Got a little tiny bit of leaking coming from the power steering. This does have hydro assist brakes. It's got a new clutch, master and slave, and hoses in line. Front brakes, new pads, new calipers, new wheel bearings, new seals, and that's just the front. What else has been done? We'll move on around back here. Got new wheels and tires all the way around. Rear drums got rebuilt, fresh shoes, fresh wheel cylinders, fresh inner seals. That's pretty much it. Hooked up the exhaust to the new headers. What else did we do? Oh, yeah, we'll go around the other side. We've got a new tank in there. Alright, here's the second fuel tank. The truck was originally equipped with 2 tanks. Determined just today that the switch on the dash was bad. So we've got it jumpered right now. One set of jumpers, it actually defaults to the left tank, but one jumper would make it left tank, and the other crossing the wires on the jumper makes it to the right tank. And we just put a fresh seat cover in today. On a recent road trip, just installed a second tank, put fuel in it, and was not able to use the fuel out of the second tank. Determined today, through a little bit of troubleshooting, determined that this fuel switch is broken. Springs fell out, some of the clips are missing, and so what I did is I wired up to the pigtail here, the plug, and determined running them looped this way routes for the left fuel tank, and running the wires cross like this routes for the right fuel tank. And as always, if you like this video series of the square body mill truck, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. It helps my analytics and helps me make more videos. I have been getting several emails from YouTube because of your 100% like ratio. That's awesome, guys. Thank you very much. Keep up the good likes and thumbs ups, and sharing and watch the whole videos, please. Thank you. All right.